Welcome friends. Toothpaste is not only use of whitening our teeth, but it also very good ingredients to enhance of beauty. It help to increase our skin tone, remove pimples, wrinkle, dark spot, and dark. Now you can easily you get to this all problems and enhance your beauty with toothpaste. So please click the press subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos. uh, Toothpaste for dark spot treatment. To make this, take 1 teaspoon of toothpaste and 3 to 4 drop lemon, and mix. Mix it well and apply to your full face as a face peak. Minimum 20 minutes, at least minimum 20 minutes, then wash with water. You can apply this remedy per week. uh, 2 months you can get white skin and remove spot from your face early.